as we welcome in our meteorologist Mariel Ruiz to the desk. And it wasn't long ago that we talked about drought conditions. Now, we certainly have not gotten a ton of rain here in North Texas, but there are other parts of the country, like Nashville, that are just under a deluge.
Yeah, in Nashville, one of those places that's going to receive more rain. And it's all the same system, Mark. And the system bringing in severe weather yesterday, bringing in severe weather today, and then bringing in the floods today, tomorrow, and on Saturday.
Too much of a good thing.
And too fast. This is what it looks like with our rainfall forecast through Sunday. You see that big bright color that spans several states, I should say. I almost said county, several states. 5 to 10 inches of rain will be possible for a lot of locations from Arkansas towards Tennessee into Kentucky. We see really on the outskirts of this system far less than that in comparison. A flood watch in place for many states, including far northeastern portions of North Texas. This going to be in place for tonight through Sunday morning. And this does include, again, Hunt County to the northeast. So we'll be watching that. Right now, we are watching a warm front. This warm front is going to stall. It's the reason why we still see showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for at least the next 2 days. On the north side of that warm front, we have the cooler air, and DFW happens to be there. So if you go outside and you're thinking it's a little chilly, yeah, temperatures are in the 50s. On the south side of that warm front, temperatures are approaching 80 degrees, and we'll see these thunderstorms develop this afternoon, really for far northeastern North Texas, and this will be in the Arklatex region where we could see some strong to severe storms this afternoon. North Texas not included in that. In fact, we have less than 20% coverage of rain in the forecast for us this afternoon. But like I mentioned, still a couple rounds of rain. WFA weather alert days for Friday 6 a.m. to noon, Saturday 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. The main concern is thunderstorms that develop could produce hail. Quarter size, but up to golf ball size, 60+ mile per hour wind gusts. There is a low tornado threat for Friday and the heavy rain that comes in on Saturday. Have a way to get warnings. The WFA app cannot tell you enough. Download it. It's free. It's easy to use. We have a slight risk for severe weather. The time frame for this is 6 a.m. to noon on Friday morning. The higher risk will be in northeastern North Texas. This is why. I'm going to show you the timeline of the rain tonight. Just a few scattered showers. I'm showing you now 4 in the morning. This is where these storms can develop, by the way. Western North Texas. We'll see these storms continue through 6 a.m. on Friday. Scattered showers for the rest of North Texas. And then that rain, notice how it doesn't really go away. It kind of lowers in intensity as we approach noon, but coverage stays pretty high. So expect the on and off showers through the day Friday. It'll stay cloudy as well for everyone. And then we're looking at thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. At this point, it looks like the higher threat for these storms to develop is in northeastern North Texas during the afternoon hours. And once those temperatures start climbing, we could very well see some thunderstorms develop for the afternoon along our eastern counties. And then I'm taking you now to Friday night into Saturday morning. Additional storms. This time around, we could see some heavier rain. You see the really bright colors jumping out at you. That's indicating heavier rain, more widespread rain, a soaking rain Friday night into Saturday morning. And that eventually thins out as we head into the afternoon hours. The threat for any storms on Saturday is mainly going to be for our far eastern counties during the afternoon hours. I'm showing you 3 in the afternoon, and that'll be when we could see maybe a severe storm or two with quarter size hail, 60 mile per hour wind gusts. That's the slight risk and the enhanced risk that you see there. Notice how the DFW, most of North Texas, the eastern part of North Texas included in that marginal risk. As far as how much rain, 1 to 3 inches between now and Saturday still looking likely. So far this morning, we have only picked up 1/10 of an inch for most, but up to 1/4 of an inch for others. Our western counties did pick up closer to 1/2 of an inch. That's where the stronger storms were this morning. And then we're looking at higher rain totals as we approach our northeastern counties. Temperatures staying in the upper 60s today. I don't think we'll see that warm front approach us. Upper 60s on Friday, low 60s Saturday. 50s on Sunday. Next week looking calmer, drier with highs in the 60s and 70s. A little bit more spring-like. Mark?
Well, I know we can use some rain. We just want not too much of it and for things not to get severe. Thank you, Mariel.